Predictive analytics is where we combine answers to questions on what happened in the past with why something has happened, so we can forecast and answer questions about what could happen in the future under different sets of assumptions and scenarios. Predictive analytics can help agencies to proactively plan, identify and mitigate risks, efficiently manage their infrastructure, and also prudently plan ahead and allocate resources. Some of the examples of predictive analytics where they can play a big role and provide benefits is in congestion monitoring, helping with improving the safety along the roadways by identifying and monitoring where accidents are happening based on changes to the road conditions, weather patterns, and construction activities. These analytics in turn will enable agencies to send alerts to users to change their time of travel or routes of travel. COVID-19 related job losses, changes to the way we work, the changes to the way we travel must be understood very well so agencies can plan their way out of this pandemic. Combining impacts of prior recessions, how the recovery has happened since the pandemic started, and assumptions regarding the travel behavior changes, we have been able to help several toll agencies across the nation to navigate through the pandemic with scenario planning and predictive analytics. And these predictive tools and databases that we are developing will play a big role in helping our agencies to plan ahead and then mitigate adverse impacts of future disruptions. In my opinion, predictive analytics will become even more critical to maintain relevance and competitiveness in this fast-changing world and will enable transportation agencies reach their financial, mobility, and sustainability goals. I'm Fani Jambalamalaka with CDM Smith. I'm National Discipline Leader for Advanced Analytics and Modeling. I look forward to talking with you more.